it is the time for the $500 trading tips, and we will be checking this out right here in this video. However, before we go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly subscribe to this channel right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Okay, so these are the assets that we'll be checking out. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you're not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the charts before you can follow up with the analysis. So let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with Ganex 1200. So guys, this is Ganex 1200. This had been on downtrend right from here, and I also updated us on this earlier today, and I told us that it broke out below this yesterday, and of course it has been selling since then, and it is still selling. This is still very much on downtrend. Okay, just the way we are saying it is still very much on downtrend, and it is still selling. So this is still more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. The next asset is going to be Ganex 999. Let's check it out together. Remember, I'm on 15 minutes time frame, and I'm using a custom made indicator called 3M Trend Milker indicator. So this has also been on uptrend for a very long time. This is Ganex 999. It started the uptrend right from here, and of course it has been buying since then. Okay, so right now it has got into this resistance zone. I spoke about this earlier today, and I told us that it is right now on downtrend. If you remember very well, I drew out a trend line, a support trend line right from here, right from here, and I told us that if it breaks out below it, then it's going to sell more. And as you can see, it has broken out below it, so I'm expecting it to get to somewhere here. Okay, so this is still very much on downtrend, just the way we are seeing it, and of course it is still selling at the moment. So the next asset is going to be Paynex 1200. Paynex 1200 had been on downtrend for a very long time. I told us about it earlier today also. It had been on downtrend right from here, and it had been selling and having a major pullbacks in between. Okay, but it will later on go back and break out the structure. Okay, so and I told us that it has gotten to the support zone, and of course it was on buy trend, that is, it was buying before, and I told us earlier today that this is still on downtrend, so I still expect it. I want to believe that this uptrend or this buy signal, it's just a pullback, and I highlighted this area that I'm expecting it to tap into this area before it starts selling. Okay, but if it breaks out from here, then definitely it's going to buy till it gets to this region. You can see it tapped into it and it started selling, and it is selling right now, so I am expecting it to break out from here. This is where I highlighted that it should get to. So it should get to this region, even break out below it, and even sell more. So this is more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. The next asset is going to be Pain X 999. Okay, this is Pain X 999. So guys, this is Pain X 999. Pain X 999 actually got to the resistance zone at this spot, bought a bit, went back up again, and it's selling right now. So this is going to sell more. I'm expecting it to get to this particular spot. So it is still very much on downtrend and still selling right now. Okay, we are having more selling opportunities today. So the next asset is going to be FX volume 80. Let's check it out together. This is FX volume 80, and actually this actually bought till it got to this resistance zone, tried to go back on downtrend, sold till it got here and went back on uptrend. Okay, it was unable to go further than this, and of course it switched back into a downtrend, and it is selling right now. So this is more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity, and we should take note of that. It is more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity, and of course I am expecting it to break out below the support region. I am expecting it to break out below this and even give us more selling opportunity right from there. Okay, so guys, I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash. Make sure you understand every part of the analysis before you start trying it out on your real account. And if you are here to perfect your trading skill, kindly work on it right now and make sure you perfect it first before you start using it on your real account. Okay, I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.